And if
Yep.
this comes from the top and the CEO says each one of you is going to have, a KRA, a KPI, whatever it might
Mm.
be, in your personal development plan that says must contribute positively to, group-wide activities
Mm.
to uh, deliver value without blocking. Well, that's going to get some people, playing along at home and playing
Yeah.
along at work.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, great question then, and very timely. But have you got anything else to add to that, Shane? You think?
Yeah. I mean, it's we used to joke about this quite a lot, and we said, "Tell me how you measure people, and I'll tell you how they will behave." And if you measure people, a very good example of this, Matt, is in a call center. If you manage people on the volumes of calls and not the quality of calls,
Yes.
they're just going to push those volumes through.
Yeah.
It's typically, probably, tip for everyone listening. It's probably one of the best ways to solve data quality is to make sure that you don't just, put the volume measurement in place, but you tell them, like, you can make calls, but I need high quality calls where I have all the customer details and the contactability and the history, and everything should be captured correctly, because it's got a business impact if we don't capture that information, and you measure them against both rather than just the volumes. and
Yeah.
and I think it's a simple thing where there's a disconnect. If you're not measuring people correctly, it has adverse effects in terms of behavior. And this is typically where politics also comes into play. It's politics usually, I found in many cases, originates because there's conflicting priorities between certain, people within the business, even within the same business unit, certain
Yeah.
functions. They're not being measured the same way. You mentioned it now. There should be a KPI that says contribute towards company revenue.